this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Always in My Heart bundle. So this is a simple card, but it's beautiful, and it's because of the stamp set and dies, mainly the dies. I just love the dies. I love this floral heart and the banner, which are used on the card, but there's also dies that cut out these flowers and leaves, 2 of each, which makes it much easier when you're cutting out a lot. And then you've got these flowers and leaves that coordinate with the flowers and leaves in the floral heart. And you've also got this really cute strip of hearts as well that I used in another card. So for this card, I'm going to start by doing some embossing, and this is a Valentine's card. So it says, "Be my Valentine." So this is going to probably go to my husband. So I'm going to use the powder to rub this. And then I will use Versamark, nice juicy Versamark, to stamp "Be My Valentine" right on here. And then I've got some gold embossing powder, and a little trick is to use a coffee filter when you're using embossing powder, because it makes it easy to pour the embossing powder back into your container. So there's "Be My Valentine." So to pour it back into your container, you just use one of the little sides and you just pour it all back in like that. Nice and easy, and you can just keep your container with a coffee filter and it's ready to go. All right, so I'm going to heat this up and emboss this. Okay, now that I have this embossed, there are score lines, score marks on the banner. When you cut it out, it also scores, and I'm gonna fold on these score lines to create the 3D effect on this banner. So our banner is all ready to go. Now I've got some Rococo Rose and my white cutout of my floral heart, but I'm going to do some stamping on this one. I'm going to place my floral heart down, and I'm going to use the leaf stamp, and I'm just gonna kind of stamp some extra leaves like about here. I gotta do a better job than that. And maybe one over here, coming up there, and then one over here. Okay, then one right here. Trying to hide these all. And then one down here. And then one over here. Okay, just a little extra. And wipe my finger off. Okay. So that was in Rococo Rose. And now I'm going to use some liquid glue to adhere the white floral piece down. Now I'm going to adhere this down. Just going to be aware of where I stamped a little bit to hide the stems. So there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna place adhesive on my banner, but I'm only gonna place it on the very, very ends of the banner. So just a little bit of adhesive on the ends of the banner. And I'm going to fold the banner down flat, because if I want to mail this, it's going to have to be flat. Press this down flat, and then voila, it pops up. But it can still be mailed because it can be folded flat. And that is our Valentine card. I'm offering a class on the Always in My Heart bundle. You can get this free card kit when you place a $30 order by going to my website and using the February hostess code. This is for the month of February. You just email me at elaine@elainescreations.net and let me know that you would like this free card kit, the Always in My Heart card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed these Always in My Heart cards. Please don't hesitate to ask me any questions or leave comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.